Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Thank you for coming today. And how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling anxious and everything.
I see. Can you tell me that was causing that feeling?
I had a lot of pressure from school and my family expect me to always do it.
I had a lot of the pressure from school, and my family expect me to always do well.
About 3 months ago, when my grades started to drop,
How is the situation and affect your daily life?
I have trouble sleeping and I feeling trapped all the time.
Thank you for sharing that. I text you colleagues to talk about your feelings. What do you usually when you feel anxious?
I shouldn't keep everything to myself and overthink a lot.
Over everything inside can be very positive. What you like to really some ways to manage your anxiety.
Yes, I would like that.
I guess today we can start by identifying your negative thoughts and finding other ways to respond to them. How do you step up?
That sound help. I am willing to try.
I did to help us remember the culture, place, and we will work on this together.
And thank you, sir.
Thank you, your